bag for you here.
Oh, brilliant.
There's a wristband in there that gives you access to the Motor Museum as well.
Fantastic.
And a hot drinks voucher and a lunch voucher. Once our queue's here, you go straight through now, the marshal will park you up.
Yeah, result.
You're checked in and yeah, lovely. Yeah. Bye.
Okay, cool. Where am I parking?
Can you just park on the end here, look?
Yep, no problem.
Got a good one there.
I'm right there on the lines, yeah?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Cool.
These spaces weren't made for Mustangs.
Yeah, fair enough, yeah. Cheers. Still got in the goodie bag. Nice. And straw. Sticker. Strap. Put that on. Hot drink and lunch. Nice. And a bag. Sweet. Hey, you're on YouTube.
Oh, we're live on YouTube.
Hey, you're live. Well, not live, but...
Morning.
Why are you parked way down there?
That's where I sold a park. If you got space for us, then...
No, we had to keep space for many fellas.
Fair enough.
The Ford photographer was getting video and pictures of it.
Yeah, cool, awesome. Thanks for that. Cool.
Do you want to see the screen?
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
Change the clusters. You got kind of the normal ones. Go to sport, shift these ones on there.
Nice.
The racetrack. The really cool one is you've got the Fox body, which is the 1987 Mustang one, which brings up the classic cars. Which is and obviously when you go back to this, you've got different settings on the exhaust.
Like the M7,
You've got sport, you've got race mode. Okay. You use this as a handbrake, standard handbrake, but then it changes it into a hydraulic, so you can get the car to slide on.
Nice. Right.
Track use only, obviously.
Yes, yeah.
Or coming soon to a Tesco's car park.
Or like a quiet Rover, no please.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah. But yeah, this is the G setup. So it's all coming for here. Digital cluster, 13.2 inch main screen.
So, question: when we can see them in the UK?
We'll start seeing from about July onwards.
July onwards, yeah.
That's
what
both
about
GT and the Dark Horse?
And the Dark Horse,
Right.
both in July.
Yeah,
Oh,
around
fantastic!
about July onwards.
Oh, nice.
Roughly speaking.
I'm sort of tempted, but I don't know. I'll have to speak to the bank manager.
You and me both.
Yeah.
So the GT obviously will come in the coupe or the convertible. Dark Horse will come in just the coupe only. Both available in manual and automatic as well.
Cool. Nice. All right. Brilliant.
Hello guys, thank you very much for coming, thank you for having me. I'm here because I've been, I'm on a microphone that's too small for me. I'll go down a bit. I'm here because I'm a Mustang fan. If you know the show, you'll have noticed even as far back as Series 2, I had a 1960, very sensible, very clever, thank you. A 1965 notchback back then. Mustangs for me, I've been very lucky in that classic cars have been in my life from the days of 50 all the way through to Car SOS. Mustangs, it's very hard to sum up what I love about a Mustang. I just think they are the coolest car on the planet. Many car manufacturers look to what Ford did back then. They never intended for this car to be as popular as it was when it first came out in 1964 and a half, all the way through. It's a scene that I absolutely love. I own two classic Mustangs at the moment, both of which are over there with Sherwin-Williams. We've painted one green and one in the unusual grey. But to sum up Mustangs for me, you've got this collection of different bits which individually don't work. But you put them together and you've just got this unique looking car that is like nothing else. And they are so damn special. If I knew precisely what it was, I would bottle it and sell it as Ford did. But it's been an honour for me to be invited to come down here, to bring my two cars down here, to be amongst friends, to be amongst fellow Mustang owners. I don't feel very special because usually when I'm driving mine, I'm the only guy in town with a Mustang. They turn so many heads. That's ultimately why we love these Mustangs. But to see all you guys here, to see 800 Mustangs here, it's a great scene. Have a great time, and I think we should get the band to play Happy Birthday to Ford. And let's have a round of applause for 60 years of the Mustang! Enjoy the rest of the day, guys.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mustang. Happy birthday to you. It's bigger than this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mustang.
Stop power, but 900 horsepower you want to be able to stop, don't you?
And, I was born in Moffat in Dumfriesshire. So.
I know the areas. We actually drove to a car run down around the Dalveen Pass and down to Dumfries and around the back roads there.
Yeah, it's a favourite area to go to just like, take your car for a drive.
You go north, and once you hit the bottom of the lakes and you start going up, it's just super.
What does the gold foil do? Do you mind me asking?
That insulates the airbox.
Okay.
So that the
so it's like heat reflector. Is that?
Yeah. So
right?
it reflects the heat back onto the engine rather than being absorbed.
So you keep it cold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you mind? I'm recording this. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Perfect.
Because he's wanting tips for his next modifications.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're getting ideas. Just going around.
More
And,
airflow.
The deflector plate.
Yeah. That rams the air into the airbox.
Aye.
And that pipe there lets the air back out.
Oh, this is your cars, yeah?
Yeah. So as you're travelling through the air, it keeps the airbox cold.
Constant flow through it.
Constant flow.
Yeah.
Because when you get to the de-restriction sign and you want to nail it, the inlet air temperature is high, so it retards.
Have you got a pyrometer on this then? You can check your manifold temperature.
There's one in the airbox, There's one in the supercharger. I've got the airbox now is less than ambient. Because,
Less than ambient?
Yeah, because the wind chill factor.
Yeah.
So by the time you've got to about 70 miles an hour, it's under ambient.
Go on then, right, okay.
And then I've got a race intercooler and a race intercooler lid, which has a much bigger volume.
What is she putting out, if you don't mind me asking?
It'll be just over the 900 mark.
Is that a flywheel now? Or,
Flywheel.
Have you done a test with?
No, it's
on the rear?
done on calculation because we know.
You know, he's a left hooker, being a Shelby.
Yeah.
Pulls up. He went, excuse me, mate. It's an S550 body, you know, he's obviously got a...
Yeah.
He said, what have you got in that? We started swapping as we are now, BS, you know. Well, I've got this supercharger, these race headers.
You say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a
The wall now, don't we?
That? The wall? No, nowhere near so many. See the GT4, like the race car, based on a dark horse, modified, like stripped out. It's
Anybody want to be in a Ford promotional video?
come on,
Saying happy birthday to the Mustang?
represent Scotland. Come on.
There's only 160,000 Ford employees seeing this, so don't worry.
Come on, Donald. He's wanting numbers.
Come on.
Yeah,
You'll
Donald.
be famous.
So will we just drive this?
Sorry, we had a very important game of Uno to finish. Obviously, actually.
Can
you all get a bit closer together? Come on, over here.
Happy birthday, Mustang!
Well done.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great